This won't be a ride-along video. This will actually just be me talking about something I've noticed recently at the Costco's. But I have already done my Costco order of the day. It was at 10 a.m. at the drop, paid $45, went a mile and a half. Here is a picture of the items, and it was very bulky, but it only took an hour, so not so bad. But now let's get into the topic of the video. Recently in Costco at the drop, I've noticed there's these two guys that work together. They both have two phones, and at the drop, they sit there swiping on 4 phones total looking for work. They don't try to hide that they have 2 phones from anybody or that they're working on 4 accounts, and it's starting to aggravate some of the other shoppers. I don't work in Costco all day. I typically just do the drop, maybe one more order after that, and then I go to the supermarkets because there's less competition there. The Costco just has tons of shoppers there that camp out there all day, and it's tough to get work. These 2 shoppers got a little confrontational with another shopper in the store who they thought was trying to take their pictures to send to Instacart. All the times I saw them sitting together, I never thought to take their picture until yesterday when I decided I was going to take a picture to put in this video, but they weren't sitting together that day. They were sitting with some boxes in between them. So I got a picture of one of them. Here it is. If you're not doing anything wrong, you wouldn't be all that concerned about someone taking your picture and sending it to Instacart. If they're using 4 accounts, obviously 2 of them aren't under their own names. Maybe all 4 of them aren't under their own names. And this could be a safety concern for the customers, and Instacart should do something about that type of thing. That doesn't really aggravate me that much, the people using 2 phones, whatever. The bot users, which I didn't even think was real initially, I thought it was kind of an urban legend. Now I do think it's real, and that aggravates me a little more because the same people every day get the $80, $100, $120 orders, while I'm struggling to see $30 and $40 orders on a regular basis. Because of these practices, there's no motivation for me to really keep my stats up. Right now I have 5 stars, 1% cancellation rate, 0 order issues, and 60 seconds per item, and I still don't see the good batches on a regular basis. Drop a comment and let me know what market you work in and if you see this kind of activity in your Costco's. Do you see teams of shoppers, and do you know that there are bot users in your Costco? Do the teams of shoppers aggravate you? Do shoppers with 2 phones aggravate you? Do people that use bots aggravate you? Let me know. Let's talk about this new feature that Instacart is now using for shoppers. Instacart now sends you orders while you're on deliveries for your current order. They sent me one about a month ago, and it was the only one I have ever gotten until yesterday. Yesterday they sent me 2 on an order I was on. They were both very bad offers, and I declined them both. My next Instacart order, I was on the delivery, and they sent me 5 different orders. Some of the stores were like 8 or 9 miles away. The orders were absolutely awful. I screenshotted some of them. I'll put them up now. And once I got out of my order, I completed it. They were in the queue, so they must have been there for a while and nobody would take them, so they start sending them to drivers now. But nothing was good, nothing I would even consider taking. At first, I thought this was going to be a good thing when I saw the email about it, thinking that I was going to be able to search for my own orders while I was on an order somehow. But no, that's not the case. They send them to you, they send you really bad orders that nobody else wants, and that's how they're doing this. So I see no real benefit to this program they're trying out, and I wish I could opt out of it because it's actually quite annoying when they send me 5 different ones while I'm at the drop-offs and trying to do the deliveries, and none of them are even worth a second look. Let me know what market you're in and if you've seen this new feature that Instacart is now using, and if so, have you seen any good orders sent to you with this new feature? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and drop a comment.